Keep coming straight, driver. All right, easy now. Stop right there.
Keep the flow steady. Watch the barrier on the left.
Looks good, Supervisor. They are moving into the pen now.
Move along, gently now.
Lot number 42, all clear.
Condition looks good on this group. Noted. Water intake is steady across the board.
Right there, hit the shoulder again.
Yes.
Yes, sir, scrubbing now.
Focus on the dorsal area near the hump. Acknowledged. Rinsing now.
Inspection complete. The cow is fully sanitized. Confirmed. Documenting the results now.
The heart rate is strong, all vitals look good.
Roger that. Finalizing the assessment now. Status, pass. Ovarian scan looks good. No abnormalities detected.
Body condition score is strong. We can clear her for the next phase. The temperature is 101.5. Vitals are stable. Recorded. Health status confirmed. Everything looks stable here. Cross-referencing the ultrasound data now.
Confirmed. The cardiac indicators are well within the acceptable range.
The muscle depth looks good here.
Okay, I'm logging that now. Skin fold calipers show sufficient fat cover.
Overall BCS is a strong 5.
We have a consistent reading across all parameters here.
All right, I'll sign off on the release.
The vet review is complete, all stages approved. Health requirements met on all counts.
Excellent. We'll update the system now. The system confirms final clearance. We are good to proceed with the next stage. All parameters confirmed healthy, Manager.
The digital records are updated. We are approved for release.
This grain here is slightly off. Noted. I'll log it as a minor defect and mark it for the cutting stage.
We need to prioritize the maroon jackets at Station 4.
I'll let them know. We are slightly ahead of schedule on the black ones.
Make sure the quality labels are secure on these.
Yes, Supervisor. They are ready for shipment now. Surface treatment is complete on this one.
The smoothness is exactly right.
Excellent work. These pass quality control.
This layout is exceptional. The color grading is perfect. Thank you. We focused on the amber flow as requested. It meets all the guidelines. Proceed with assembly.